Welcome to our channel Future Stenographers. Ready for the dictation? 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Ready? Start. Matter pertains to appointment to the post of Deputy Director bracket law in the other backward class category. Stop. Appointments to the vacancies in the aforesaid post were to be made in the Office of Competition Commission of India. Stop. The three appellants in these three appeals were also the candidates who appeared in the written test. Stop. After qualifying the written test, they also faced the interview. Stop. However, their names did not appear in the list of candidates finally selected. Stop. According to the appellants, their non selection was the result of altering the prescribed mode of selection midway after the initiation of recruitment process, which was impermissible. Stop. Next para. This contention has not found favor with either the learned single judge in the writ petitions filed by them or the division bench of the High Court in the appeals filed by them challenging the order of the learned single judge. Stop. Bone of contention before us also remains the same. Stop. Therefore, the issue which needs to be decided is as to whether there was any change in the mode of selection after the process of selection had started. Stop. CCI had issued the notification through public notice inviting applications for various posts. Stop. We are concerned with the post of Deputy Director bracket law for which 13 vacancies were. Stop. Clause 7 of the notification stipulated the mode of selection in the following manner. All the applications received by the due date will be screened with reference to the minimum qualification criteria. Stop. Next para. From amongst the eligible candidates, stable candidates will be shortlisted through a transparent mechanism and the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview before final selection. Stop. Mere fulfilling of minimum qualifications by itself would not entitle any applicant for being called for interview. Stop. The eligibility slash qualification slash experience required for this post was also provided in the advertisement. Stop. It is undisputed that the appellants fulfilled the eligibility condition being holder of degree of Bachelor of Law bracket professional as well as 3 years experience in the relevant field including in the corporate sector. Stop. Written test for this post was held on for shortlisting of candidates for interview. Stop. Admit card was also issued to the appellants for appearing in the written test along with the detailed instructions including the scheme of examination. Stop. Paragraphs 4 and 9 of the instruction which were given to the examinees candidates are relevant for our purposes and therefore we reproduce the same here under full stop.